Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to extend RAM in Realme Note 50 device. So guys, if you want to extend it, all you guys have to do, just go to settings and then scroll it down so that we have option of about phone. Just click on about phone and then go to RAM. After tapping RAM, just enable RAM expansion and then set it by this bar. If you want to set 2 GB, you can set 2 GB. If you want 4 GB, you can set 4 GB. But in Realme Note 50, we have maximum 4 GB RAM expansion only. So after that, we have a message here. The setting will take effect after you restart your device. So after setting the RAM expansion, all you guys have to do, just restart your phone one time so that your phone RAM will be now 4 GB. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.